Well, what do you got there? Nice! Sweet.
Said I was gonna.
Mm-hmm. About time, Fallon.
Uh-huh.
I don't know how you put up with the conditions around here.
Cigarettes.
Yeah. As long as you don't have to suck a guy off for cigarettes, whatever. And even if you do, whatever. Eh?
Oh. I mean, yeah, that's just a bonus at that point.
You're getting a cigarette, but you're also getting a meat cigarette.
Uh-huh.
Look at this guy's coming turbo diesel. Holy. Oh, I'm parting one out. You need any parts?
What?
Coming turbo diesel. Here. Oh, 3.
Oh, 3 now. Oh, 8, 12.
I could have hooked you up with some self-tapners instead of this tape, bud.
I have the thing, I just haven't had time to switch it.
Gotta keep strict count. Oh, hey, your starter, bud. What happened? Turn the wheel!
You think you're gonna go straight out?
Go this way? Or come this way?
And then back that way again.
Maybe.
It was. Fly off while I drive.
That was my good one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's not good.
Holy you gotta keep an eye on this guy. Holy
It was frozen.
12. 13. Just trailer brake.
I got a 53, 54, 55, 56, 156.
Holy shit, boys. Holy, what's that, electric steering?
Yeah, for the new run.
Holy. Good grief. Electric steering assist. That's pretty sweet.
Yeah.
No friggin' power steering pump. You just got a great big dirty electric box on your what's it? There you go.
Okay, man.
Yes,
Till
sir.
next time. Have a good
Right
one.
on.
Take it easy, man. See you.
Is this thing even light?
Is it
light? Is it light?
light up?
Come on.
I did it.
What'd you do?
I use gloves.
You did. You really did. Holy. It's about time, Fallon.
Apparently.
Getting me in trouble and stuff. So here's some gloves. Oh,
There's another microwave in there. Oh my god.
good.
Oh, there's a sound bar in there too. Oh.
Scores. Fucking good shit. Got strapped off in Inwood, boys. Oh, look at he's camping out. Camping out till we turn around so he can snag some more good stuff. Guy. So let's see how she does with a cold start with a good charged up battery, and we'll plug her in for half an hour. See what happens. Listen to the coming turbo diesel, boys. Holy shit. Such a fucking melody. check this out. A guy's coming over right now to buy this mirror off me. Broken, Kijiji'd, eh? Oh, if somebody did that to me, I would be fucking choked! Look at this. Got a new one for my own, eh? Nice. I think we're setting a record here for the fastest friggin' mirror swap. In Inwood, anyway. Nice. I should do something about that speaker. That's absolutely nonsense. And that's ridiculous. So I'll just leave the panel off for now. Check this out. Nice. Oh yeah, that's way better. Okay, we're passing safety every day. We're closer to passing safety. Okay, every time we do stuff like that, it wasn't passing safety because I had a broken mirror. So I'm just gonna sell that mirror to another guy, all unsuspectingly like. Okay, he'll just be like, "Oh, quick glance, yeah, sweet, bro, sweet," and then he'll just grab him, not realizing she's friggin' snapped in twain, multiple snaps in twain. But I'll get him on a son of a bitch curtain. You know, as long as he comes here, I don't know. See what happens.
Yeah, perfect. That's awesome. Yeah, I'm duct taped on right now. Mine just snatched mine up, so I'm like, what do you do? Right.
Scores! And I got my new one. I was fucking slamming the door on something. Oh, it's my wire. Don't slam that door on your wire, buddy. Matter for yourself. Oh yeah, that's gonna be nice. There's freaking beehives into it big time. We'll have to flick those out, but yeah, man. And then we do the door wiring. Got the heated mirrors. Eh? Nice. Old Rusty's mirrors living on to another rig. They were on Rusty, and then they were on this one. Now, of course, they're gonna be on Buddy's, but. Well, we've had her plugged in for a day. Good 24 hour. But you see it melts the snow off the hood pretty good. Scores! So it's it should be already warmed up the temperature without even starting it. So 15 soil now. Okay. Yeah, you just want to keep the drain one finger tight usually, right?
Yeah, the fill one you want torque for like at least 160.
Oh yeah, barely, you know. You barely want the threads hanging on if you can help it. Yeah. Only a few things could go awry.
Oh, there's a good shot. Right at the back of my skull.
Yeah, right in Jim's dome piece.
Well, should we, before I should move?
Well, I'll just loosen this off a couple.
Well, it's already loose. I got it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. Micro fucking.
Oh,
There's some metal on
a
there.
bit of the debris.
Mm-hmm.
Just set it up there. I'll put the and I'll help you move the boards. Ready?
Do you like green beans, Jim?
Yeah, big time.
Oh, boys, look at this.
Oh,
Look at what we found in Jim's. Oh, Jim!
oh, that's not good. Wow. Wow.
Metal flakes.
Yeah. Holy.
Very much hard chunks of metal flakes.
Hard chunks of metal flakes.
Jim loves hard chunks of metal flakes.
I love hard chunks of metal flakes. Big pieces of metal flakes.
Couple gears, no big deal.
Yeah. 4-wheel drive, no more.
Yeah.
Had it for a day and a half. Now it's fucking on the floor. Yeah, like I had my full body weight hanging off of fucking Jess's drain plug for her engine.
Nice.
And it wasn't.
Your whole like 42 pounds.
Yeah, so it was at least 16 foot-pounds.
Nice.
Should be 18. No.
She locked up, boys. Shut her down.
Yeah.
Send him along this way with half the food.
Good fucking piece right there. Until it stops fucking working.
What's that?
That wrench.
Yeah. You're fucking good flyer to this one.
Oh, it's fucking. At least it locks up and doesn't just free spin.
Right.
I'd probably rather it lock up than just willy-nillards.
So you're doing your oil too?
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta go check my tire. Somebody didn't fuck your
Oh, you're pumping up your tire, buddy. This is me reminding you.
Look at Jim go, boys. He's good at changing oils and stuff. Did you do it?
Yeah.
You did it. You did it. Here, try to do the bucket first. We'll just give her a little.
Need this on standby though. So you
Yeah,
can
yeah,
swap
yeah.
through.
Water.
I had a fart that sounded like that the other day.
Just let her go.
Yeah.
Just let her go in your trowel.
Yeah, it's just right in my garments. Pretty good.
I've shat my garments before.
Yeah. It's getting me.
Too much. That's too much set down.
Nice.
Oh, we had too much set down there. Did you see that?
Seen that. Yeah.
I started making a huge mess in inwood. I'll kick the camera too. That's good.
Yeah.
That's a really good idea.
Yeah, just yard sale
If you
that
want,
across
if you
the
want me
driveway.
flipping out, kick the camera.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. I says, don't worry about it. I don't got anything going on anyways. You know, I'll move my around and I don't got anything going on. So, it's cool.
Thanks, buddy.
Yeah, no worries.